Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I'm up at the tent right now, and for lunch I'm going to cook up deer heart. Fried deer heart, it's super easy to do. I like it. It tastes delicious. Some people either love it or people don't like it, and I think people that don't like it, a lot of times it's just because they can't get past the fact that it's the deer's heart. And that's kind of a shame because it really is a delicious piece of meat. So here's the deer heart from last year's deer. And what we're going to end up doing is cutting this into like 1/2 inch thick pieces. But up on top here you've got some of this hard fat. You want to get rid of that. You can kind of push on it and tell if it's really hard, then I get rid of it. Like I said, this is super simple to make. Some people do like to take their deer heart and after they cut it, they'll soak it in salt water like overnight to like draw all of the blood out of the meat because they say it gives it kind of an irony taste. I don't. I just eat it the way it is like this and I love it. There we have it, all cut up. So you can cut this into cubes if you want so it doesn't look like pieces of heart, but I like to do it just like this. Now we're just going to take and put a little vegetable oil in the pan. And then I'm just going to season this. Put whatever you want on there. I've got my oil heated up. I'm going to turn this down lower. And now we're just going to fry it like a pork chop or whatever. This is one of them meats where it's probably better if it's not cooked real hard, like a medium rare. I usually like to cook it all the way through though, just to be safe. Just going to put a loose piece of foil over the top just to keep the grease from splattering all over. I'm just going to let that cook for, I don't know, 3-4 minutes on this side, then I'll flip it over. Definitely getting close to being done now. I'm going to turn up the heat just a little bit, get it a little more brown on the outside. I'm actually going to leave the top off now so some of that moisture can get out. When you're cooking this, there's a certain amount of moisture that comes out of that meat and it kind of almost foams in there. And now you can tell that that's cooking out, and when that's done is usually when the deer heart is finished. Then I'll cut into a piece to make sure it's not red, and it's ready to go. I'm just going to cut into the thickest one here. Yep, that's done. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. There you have it, perfectly pan-fried deer heart. If you've never tried it, you certainly should. It's delicious. I will see you guys on the next video.